Hey there, guys. How's it going? And what we're going to be talking about right now is the Essentials non-woven laundry bag. Yeah. This is a laundry bag. It's not very big. It stands probably around 2 feet high. But, I mean, it is what it is. It's a non-woven material with a long drawstring here, and it's for your laundry, or actually it has multi-purposes. I mean, you can use it for storage also and just keep it somewhere. There is a pocket right here on the side that you can use for, like, if you put laundry in here and you need to carry it, like you can carry like your cleaning solutions in here, like your detergents and bleaches and stuff, in your bag while you carry this around to the laundromat or wherever you're going to go to wash your clothes. Yeah, it's a pretty decent bag. I mean, I used one a while ago. Actually, at one time I bought 2 of these. Okay, it's okay, but you have to be careful with it because this material, it doesn't stretch very well. I mean, it kind of is only meant for a few items. I mean, don't pack it, don't push it like it's a balloon and you expect it's going to, give a little. The first one that I used, I got 2 at one time because they're very cheap. The first one that I used broke because I did just that. I thought it was going to stretch, and it was kind of a downside to this thing that it doesn't. I mean, I think anytime you're going to be using something that's a bag to stuff a lot of stuff in, like laundry, it should stretch a bit. This didn't give. It tore like it was paper, Granted, I had a lot of stuff in there. I mean, I packed this thing to the rim. I packed it so much that this pocket literally was stretched to the rim too. So it was like I had a lot of clothes to wash at the time. So I used it and it stretched it all the way out, and it broke along, I believe it was one of these sides here. This is not the one, but the seam here snapped. Yeah, right at the bottom. And I was like, oh no, I didn't expect that. So that's what happened. Yeah, it broke. So if you use these, you got to be very careful not to pack it all the way. It's not going to hold like you think it will. Yeah, but it's good for multi-purposes. You can carry anything in it. You can, use it for storage. You put stuff in it and just put it under your bed, or want to seal some stuff away and put it in your closet or whatever, it's good for that. Yeah, I've only seen this in one color, that's the black. Yeah, it's not very big, and I usually have way more clothes than what this holds in dirty clothes to wash. I would have to use 2 of these to clean as many clothes as I usually do in a load, which is why I broke it last time. And it's also why I bought 2, because it comes in a little plastic folded bag, right, when you buy it, so you're really not sure how big it's going to be. But I assumed it wasn't that big, so I bought 2 at the same time and just packed the other one to the rim and it snapped. But other than that, it's a decent bag. I mean, if you don't have a whole lot of clothes to wash, if you're going to use it for laundry, it's decent. It will do what it's supposed to do. It draws right up at the top. You can tie it or carry it, over your shoulder. It is what it is. It's a laundry bag. You have to also be careful washing this, okay? You only want to hand wash it. If you put it in the machine to wash, the last one I used that broke, I actually washed it in the washing machine and it also tore. It damaged it a bit. So you want to just wash it by hand. You have to make sure you do that. Yeah. It's very inexpensive, so that kind of makes it a little bit fragile. So, yeah, so it is what it is. Okay, guys, that's the Essentials laundry bag, non-woven material laundry bag. Okay, well, I hope you guys use this information, and I will see you soon. Okay, bye-bye.